Now, Hurricane Beryl is expected to generate, quote, a life-threatening storm surge and dangerous winds in parts of Jamaica and the Cayman Islands later today. The storm leaving a path of destruction behind in Grenada. The Category 4 storm is expected to cause more than $1 billion in damage. Let's bring in our energy reporter, Stapczynski. So, Stephen, as we keep an eye, of course, on the humanitarian toll, we also look at the oil market reaction to this. $86 a barrel on Brent. What is the potential impact on the sector that you monitor from this storm?
You know, I think this storm has brought a bit of an alarm bell to the industry, especially for this summer. Beryl became a Category 5 yesterday, storm hurricane. That's the highest on the hurricane scale in the United States. And it's the earliest that a Category 5 has ever been called in the U.S., in the Atlantic. And so because of that, you know, we're expecting a very busy, a very robust hurricane season. Many powerful hurricanes are likely to go through the Atlantic and also into the U.S. Gulf Coast. Now, the Gulf of Mexico is where there's a lot of offshore drilling, as well as facilities that export not just oil, but also liquefied natural gas and many shale fields when you go onshore. So because of that, there is a fear that maybe not this storm, but many storms after this could affect output. Usually when a hurricane comes along, a lot of offshore rigs will just shut or curb production for safety reasons. So if there are many hurricanes that come through, and the larger they are, you're going to see a lot of these fields get shut. At the same time, if there is damage, if there's going to be repairs, that also removes oil from the market. Now, prices are also rising because at this time of the year, people are driving in the United States. It's the driving season. So we have some early indication that there could be one of the biggest crude oil draws, reductions in inventories for this week since January. So that's tightening the market. You've got potential production disruptions because of an active hurricane summer season. Those two together are helping to push Brent higher. As you say, we're at that $86 level. And OPEC Plus, of course, is still, you know, they're going to be bringing oil barrels back to the market later this year, but right now they're still restrained.